Hi Pat and Thea. I just wanted to show you a few things while I'm packing up this machine so that you can meet it and so you can understand some things about how it works and how to unpack it. So the first thing I'm going to do is tape these spools in place. There's nothing but gravity that holds them on. Okay, that's done. Now the next thing is going to be to secure it to the base of the case. This model has washers on the bottom, rubber washers here, and they connect to these posts. The thing is, though, that when this machine was originally manufactured, it was shipped with screws also that held it in place. We don't have those original screws, but I found these Smith Corona screws that I'm going to use instead, that fit in there, and I painted them yellow so that you could tell them apart from the actual machine and know what to unscrew. So they should fit in right here. And I also got some rubber washers so that they don't damage the machine. So I am going to put the machine on the board now. Okay, now I'm going to screw in these screws. I don't know if I can do this one-handed, but I will, so I'm going to pause and pick it up. My screwdrivers somehow got demagnetized. Okay, now I've got them in place. I'm just screwing them in. So you're going to want to unscrew them when you get the machine. Just insert your normal slotted screwdriver above that shift. I'm going to try to pronounce shift in German. And I'm screwing them in. Okay, there you go. So that's one screw. That's the next. I want to unscrew those with a regular slotted screwdriver. I should say that, of course, you could use the machine while it's still on the board. It does have feet, so it is designed to be used while it's still attached to the board. So it's up to you.